Hi, this is Marcia, and this is your quick start to using Brisk in the classroom. Hello, everybody. I'm super excited to have you here today. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be going through some of the key things that Brisk has to offer for educators. I'm going to do this in a couple series where I'm going to actually go through and we're going to actually look at what is Brisk. We're going to talk about how to use it in the classroom. But here's the thing, Brisk saves time. So one of the things I want you to take away, it's not a website you have to go to. It's not someplace else that you have to go log in and put things in. It's an extension, a Google extension or an Edge extension that's right there on your screen. You can see that happening right now inside of this video, where no matter if you're on YouTube, if you're on Google Classroom or Google Docs or Google Slides, the Brisk icon shows up and it is ready for you to use. So just to give you some little bit of information about myself, my name is Marcia Kish. Hello, I'm an educator, I'm a presenter, I'm a keynote presenter, I'm an author and an AI enthusiast. I love AI so much that I went and wrote a book all about how to use AI in the classroom. It's your starter kit for using AI. Brisk is mentioned in here about 35 times. That's how much I love it. But today I am going to be your Brisk tour guide. We're going to walk you through what Brisk looks like. So before we begin though, let's just talk about what is Brisk. Brisk is for Chrome and Edge extension. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to briskteaching.com. You're going to go and say install, and it's going to install right on your desktop. When you are in Chrome or Edge, you're going to see that little icon Brisk pop up. So you see that little B? I'm going to circle it right here. Every time that you want to use any of the tools I'm sharing, you're just going to click on that little B and it will pop up and you'll be able to differentiate, give feedback, come up with boost activities, plan lessons, do formative assessments. I mean, this is a time saver with one simple click. So just to give you some of those examples, today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be breaking this up into parts. This is our introduction. Then I'm going to go in and talk more about how Brisk can save time and how some demo experiences, so we can go through, showcase some demo ideas. The next video is going to talk about Brisk in action, how our teachers are actually using it in the classroom for differentiation. And then the last one is just going to go through and talk about AI safety, because that's really important. No matter what AI tool or what we are using, we always want to know, is it compliant and is it safe? So I'm going to go through some of those things. So again, this is the introduction to your quick Brisk start. The next video that you're going to see is going to be how Brisk solves some problems.